Hi the makeup squad, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this stunning soft matte glam makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. If you are new, hi, hello, my name is Stella Deans. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated anytime I upload. So let's get right straight into this. So for moisturizer, I'm using this Pierce baby cream to moisturize my face. It will act like a barrier for the makeup. Then I'm using this Zaron face primer so that it will help to minimize pores, look of pores on my face, and so that my makeup will last all day. So with this foundation, you should grab any matte foundation of your choice. I'm using the V Beauty foundation today, and I'm applying it really fast because this one dries up really fast, so you have to work fast. So after that, applying contour, I'm using the Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my jawline, my forehead, especially the forehead, so that you not look like you have a marks on around this your hairline, your jaw, so that to chisel out your jaw, it won't look round, to cause shadow. So for my concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm applying it the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin. I like starting off with blending my forehead first, so that to show me what I'm working with. After blending in, I turn over the part I use for the foundation to blend it in, so that it will look like one is flowing into the next. Then I blend under my eyes to cover any discoloration and dark circles under my eyes. So after I'm done blending my concealer, I go in now with my nose contour. I like applying nose contour after I've concealed because it will give my nose more definition. I'll see what I'm working with. For my blush, I'm using this orange blush from that lip palette. I'm just applying it on the apple of my cheeks. So to set all the places I've concealed, you see, if I put it and go straight to my face, it won't blend out well. So I have to distribute it at the back of my hand before I set all the places I contour. And this too will prevent shine because we want that matte finish. To set all the places I contoured, I'm going to use that dark shade. Then I use this lighter shade for my finishing powder. So I'm just using a dabbing motion for this. It's just like setting all the places I've contoured. Then I set the rest of my face with my finishing powder. It will help minimize shine, like I said before. Onto the eyes, I comb out my brows, then I line it with Davis number 3 eye pencil. I have a very detailed brow tutorial in case you are still struggling with your brows. I shaved, I did everything. I will place it around here or in the comment section. So these days I just highlight my brow bone area. I don't do too much, just highlight that place I want to shine. The brow bone area, that's just the place I highlight. So onto the eyes now, I apply my eyeshadow primer. This will make the eyeshadow pop out more. I blend it out using my damp beauty sponge. Then I set it with that powder I used before, so that it will prevent breakage. You see, if you take a powder and apply it without dusting, this is how it's looking, right? See, if I did it like that in my conceal area, this is the finish I would have gotten. So we are going in with this orange shade as our transition color for today. Blend it all in using my fluffy brush. Then I go in with this brown shade Remember, it's soft glam. We want it soft. We still want it glamorous. You don't want those harsh colors. We're going with those soft colors. So use the color that you know would bring out your eyes. So I'm using this brown to darken my outer corner of my eyes. Then I use this black. There's a little bit of black in this brush to dust out my brow bone area. I'm using this pink. You guys know this is pink season. Tell me you've scrolled through Instagram, you don't see any pink eyeshadow look. So I'm applying that pink as my main color today. I was thinking it would complement this soft matte glam look. So after that, I go in with that brush. I'm not applying with any other product to dust out everything. For my waterline, I'm using that gel liner to line my waterline. I wanted that sultry look, you know, that baby doll look. Then I line my upper lashes. This is my holy grail on how to apply my lashes. Thus, if you haven't tried this, please try it and tell me what you think. This makes it so easy if you are struggling to apply lashes. Then I smoke out my under eye area using my main color, that pink that I used. So for my lashes, see, I'm attacking it from up. I place it down, then I align it. This one, if you just place it, it will stay in place. So be careful before you drop, because anywhere you drop it, it will stick. Remember, you place it on your skin. If you try to drag it, you'll mess up with your eyeshadow. That's the disadvantage of this one. Then I am applying my powdered blush. Oh, it's been long I applied the powdered blush, but this one came out really fine. This is actually an eyeshadow that I use like a blush. Your makeup can be versatile, my dear. Then I line my lips with a brown lip liner. Top it up with this nude shade. I didn't want to use gloss because we are going for matte. So I was taking the matte look to the bitter end. To set all the places I've highlighted, to set the rest of my face, I'm using this Kiss Beauty. Since I don't have any matte finishing spray, so I'm using the one I have. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, bye guys.